Today I'll be comparing two Canadian rye whiskies. Canada, in many ways, is known for their rye whiskies, and both of these bottles are great examples of a quality rye. They've both been open on my shelf now for almost a year, and I think it's finally time to decide which is best, Reifel Rye or Pendleton 1910. If you want to see more in-depth reviews on either of these, head over to my rye playlist, or I'll have these linked later in the video as well. Don't forget to click the logo in the corner to subscribe, and let's kick this off. Reifel Rye uses only grains from Alberta. This is a blend with 91% rye, aged in charred white oak and ex-bourbon casks. The nose for me is spicy with dates, figs, and toffee. The flavor's warm with baking spices like cinnamon and cloves. I also get a little bit of pear and some vanilla. It finishes long and dry with a bit of brown sugar. Pendleton 1910 is a 100% rye whiskey distilled in Canada but imported and bottled in Oregon. It's also oak barrel aged, but not in bourbon casks, and is aged for a minimum of 12 years. The nose for me is warm with spicy cloves and brown sugar. The flavor is peppery with charred oak, caramel, maple, and a hint of tobacco. It finishes smooth with sweet cherry. So, who's the winner? Putting these two side by side, if I had to choose one to sip, I would be pouring Pendleton 1910. For me, this is more complex, and despite being 100% rye, it has a smoother finish, likely from the longer time spent aging. There you have it, folks. For me, Pendleton 1910 is the winner. Let me know down below what you think, and if you know any friends who love rye, send them this video. I'd love to hear their thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.